Welcome back to Product Critique, where we break down the best products in the game so you can make smarter buying decisions. Today, we're diving into what we're calling the best wrist straps for serious lifters, the Gymreapers lifting wrist straps. Right off the bat, these straps come in strong. Engineered by Gymreapers, a brand known for quality training gear, this product sets the standard with a blend of functionality, durability, and comfort. These wrist straps are made with 100% cotton, combined with a padded neoprene wrist area. That combo gives you comfort during your heaviest lifts and keeps your wrists protected from friction and strain. The padded section sits securely on the wrist, preventing any digging or rubbing while you wrap around the bar. At 18 inches long, they give you more than enough length to loop around your bar 2 to 3 times for maximum grip. Whether you're deadlifting, rowing, or going heavy on shrugs, the non-slip fabric works with you, not against you. It grips well and doesn't bunch up or twist under pressure. What sets these apart is how they eliminate grip fatigue. Often, your grip gives out before your muscles do. With these, you're fully locked in, letting you isolate and hit those pulling muscle groups harder: traps, lats, rhomboids, all without worrying if the bar's going to slip. Build quality is another high point. The stitching is tight, the cotton is thick, and the neoprene padding actually feels like it will last. These aren't those cheap throwaway straps you find bundled in with lifting gloves. These are built to take a beating, session after session. In terms of fit, these are one size fits all, fully adjustable. Doesn't matter if you're rocking thick wrists or lean forearms, they're made to conform. And they're light, weighing in at just 2.5 ounces. Toss them in your gym bag and forget about them, until you need them. If you're recovering from injury or pushing for a new PR, these straps provide the support you need without getting in the way of range of motion. That's a huge plus for anyone trying to train smart and stay safe. So whether you're a seasoned powerlifter, bodybuilder, or someone just getting serious about their strength game, the Gymreapers lifting wrist straps are a worthy addition to your setup. Great grip, solid durability, and they just work. That's it for today's breakdown. If you liked this review and want more in-depth looks at the gear that actually matters, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know what product we should critique next. Thanks for watching Product Critique, where every representative counts.